This is the instructional video for IDI's Dyno contact replacement procedures. For the Dyno contact replacement procedures, IDI suggests the following tools be used. IDI provided Dyno contact replacement tool, flathead screwdriver, latex gloves, and a lint-free cloth. Step 1. Remove the socket from the load board and place it on a clean working surface. 2 hands will be required for the replacement process, so a surface that will provide a slight friction, such as a lint-free cloth, would be advantageous. With the socket inverted, remove the white nylon screws from the socket bottom. Place the nylon screws and socket bottom in a clean and safe location. Separate the socket bottom from the socket top, ensuring the rows of Dyno contacts remain in the socket top. The stranded rows of contacts will remain in the socket top housing for the replacement process. Step 2. Remove the silicone elastomer from either side of the row of contacts with the tweezers. This may require applying a slight pressure to the Dyno contact as the elastomer is pulled out. Inspect the elastomer for any damage, and if any cuts or excessive tears are present, replace it with the provided elastomer in the spare parts kit. Step 3. Identify the contacts to be replaced and carefully remove them with the tweezers. With the tweezers, insert the new Dyno contacts head first and slide them down into the socket's slotted features. Visually inspect each row of contacts to ensure they are oriented correctly in their respective slots. Misorientation may indicate a bent contact, which should be replaced before assembly of the socket. Step 4. To reinstall the elastomer, IDI provides a contact replacement tool that will help make the installation process much easier. The replacement tool has physical features similar to a shovel or spatula, allowing it to slide into the gap between the Dyno base and curved head. Once in position, the tool aligns the contacts so the elastomer can be threaded through with little difficulty. The tool is double-ended with a 3 mm and 1.5 mm lip to accommodate different socket footprint patterns. Starting from one side, slide the replacement tool under as many contacts as possible. The tool will prop up the contacts and align the features while the elastomer is being fed through. With the tool inserted, feed the elastomer into the contacts with the tweezers with your other hand. When the elastomer reaches the end of the propped up contacts, remove the tool and slide it into the parallel contacts and continue feeding the elastomer all the way through the row of contacts. Once the elastomer is in place, ensure the rows of contacts are properly seated in their slots. Step 5. Visually inspect the contacts and socket for proper assembly prior to reattaching the socket bottom. Align the socket bottom with the socket top and carefully assemble them together. When the top and bottom plates are securely matched, there should be no gap between the 2 plates. Insert the nylon screws in all 4 locations and tighten in a crisscross pattern until they are snug. Verify that all contacts are positioned correctly and actuate each row of contacts, ensuring proper motion. Attach the socket to the test board and continue on testing.